Many people are wondering, what about video depositions? Can those still happen during this time? The short answer is absolutely yes. Utilizing Zoom and a legal videographer, you can still conduct video depositions. In fact, there are several options that you have when you use both Zoom and a legal videographer. In this video, I'm going to highlight a few of these options, so take a look. Here's your first option for recording a video deposition using Zoom and a legal videographer. The camera is no longer in this room with me. The camera is now recording me through the Zoom feed. But now let's look at some higher quality ways that you can get results using Zoom and a legal videographer for your video deposition. Here is your next option for video recording your deposition using Zoom and a legal videographer. You'll notice that the video quality remains the same. That's because the camera is not in the room with me. It is still recording the Zoom deposition through the Zoom feed. But you will notice that the audio feed sounds much cleaner. It may surprise you to learn that we're still using Zoom to capture the audio. What's different is that instead of using the laptop's internal microphone, we're using a special external microphone connected to the laptop to capture the audio. But can we do even better than this? We can get even better audio. Hear how this sounds. We are still using the same external microphone, but we are bypassing Zoom and using a different web interface to capture the audio. All that is needed for this to happen is for each person to receive a link before the deposition begins, to click on that link, and to leave that browser window open while the Zoom deposition is occurring. We've seen how we can improve the audio on a Zoom deposition, but can we also improve the video for a Zoom deposition with a legal videographer? The answer is yes. Look at the next option. Doesn't this look familiar? A camera in the room with a background behind the deponent. The way video depositions ought to be, some might say. Well, in this time of the coronavirus, in order to get this kind of video, this can happen with everyone appearing remote, except for the witness and the videographer in the same room, regardless of where that is. As long as the witness feels comfortable with this and the law allows, by just having one other person in the room with the deponent, the videographer, you can get the same video quality while everyone else appears remotely, including the court reporter, via Zoom. If everyone uses an external microphone and connects via that audio interface, and the videographer is in the room with the deponent, the video deposition will look and sound as if everyone is in the same room. Another benefit to having a legal videographer help with a Zoom deposition is that we are able, while we're recording the deposition, to also electronically display the exhibits for all participants. That means that the attorneys, the court reporter, and the deponent can all see the exhibit being displayed full screen simultaneously, while the deponent's picture still remains on the video, but just in a corner of the video. When the exhibit is done being presented, the videographer just puts the deponent back to full screen, and the deposition continues until the next exhibit is ready to be presented. All that is needed for this to happen is for the videographer to receive all the exhibits in an electronic format before the deposition begins.